So now we will see question number 7. Question number 7 is construct the circles with the following measurements. For construction, we will take a compass. You know, this is your compass, this is pencil. Put the pencil in the compass with the help of this screw, and such that when you will keep them at the lowest distance, there must not be any gap between them. So likewise, you will put your pencil in the compass. With the help of this, we will draw the circle. So here it's given radius 5 centimeter. A circle is always drawn with the help of radius. That means if you want to draw the circle, you will need radius. So with the help of your scale, you can take a distance of 5 centimeter, because radius is 5 centimeter. So take this compass, and here you see, put it at 5 and up to 0. This is now 5 centimeter. With the help of this scale only, I have measured 5 centimeter. Now the distance between this pencil and this and is 5 centimeter. If you will put it in your notebook and draw the circle, then that circle will be of 5 centimeter radius. This is the first part. Second part is diameter. See, for constructing the circle, we need radius, not the diameter. But the relation between diameter and radius is that diameter is 2 times of radius. Therefore, radius is equal to d by 2. And here diameter given is 7 centimeter upon 2, that is 3.5 centimeter. Therefore, in B part, the radius is 3.5 centimeter. And we always measure radius here. So, take the scale and don't measure 7 centimeter, but you have to measure 3.5. So you see, this is 3 and this is 4, and in between 3 and 4 you have one long line. This long line is 3.5. so put at the long line and up to 0, this one. So now you are having a distance of 3.5 between them. So put it in your notebook and draw the circle. Then you will get your second answer. Alright, in first answer we did not divide by 2 because already we were having the radius. Here we have to find out the radius. Now question number 8 is actually everything regarding diameter and radius. You see here, the diameter of a circle of radius 11 centimeter will be, radius is given 11 centimeter. They are asking diameter. When you multiply radius by 2, you will get the diameter. So here the radius given is 11. So 2 into 11 is equal to 22. Similarly, dash is the longest chord of a circle. You have learnt in class 4th, chord means this section inside the circle, that is known as chord. So our diameter is the longest chord in the circle. The diameter of a circle is dash times of its radius 2 times. It's 2 na. So here we will write 2 times TWO2.